So if you bought this Donner drum throne and you look down here, if yours looks like this and you have that wobble, this is why. You're literally putting all of your weight on the threads of this bolt here. It shouldn't be sitting this high up. Like, I could tighten it down all day and it'll still wobble. You want to back this out like that, and then let this go all the way down. It's a sleeve that fits over that black part, and then you want to tighten this down. Now it's very solid. It doesn't wobble even this high up.
Here's my Donner throne. Don't get me wrong, it's comfy. Look at this. How wobbly it is. And this is where I say buyer beware. When I try to pick it up or something, it won't stay together. It actually snapped on me. Buyer beware.
You know, it's not from up here, it's all from down here. And that is not something that can be tightened. Got this as far as it can go. These are all as tight as I can possibly get them. The issue doesn't come from here. It's all right here where all the legs meet.